we have a late 1940s, early 1950s Zippo. It has a 5-barrel hinge on it, and it does appear to have been repaired by Zippo. So I don't have any idea whether the 5-barrel was what it initially had or not. It is Golfer. This Golfer is the one with the rounded head. Does have some dents, some dings, plenty of wear and use. But as I said, the hinge has been repaired by Zippo, or at least it appears to me as that it has, and it's pretty tight. A little wobble, not bad. The insert is obviously not original to this lighter. It's much later. Different patent number, gold tone. So I don't know how. Maybe that's when this, when they repaired the hinge was when that insert was being manufactured, possibly. Still a very nice lighter. With everything that's wrong with it, I'm not complaining.